Get into the 2023 Ford F-150. This rugged F-150 is ready for work, off-roading, or little R&R. Military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel give this full-size pickup the advantage of being both light and strong, so much so that it delivers class-leading towing and payload capabilities. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual-zone AC, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, intermittent wipers. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.